Tired of project invoices that feel like a complete mystery? Let's unlock project transparency with Clockify, the free time tracking tool, and show you how to use it as a client. As a client, Clockify gives you powerful tools to monitor progress, track time, and ensure accurate billing. First, make sure your project team invites you as a client to their Clockify workspace. They will need your email address. Once invited, you'll gain access to the workspace and can start reviewing project data. Head to the reports section. This is where you'll find all the juicy details. Explore the pre-built reports. You can filter by project, team member, or date range to see exactly how much time has been spent on specific tasks. This allows you to monitor progress and identify potential bottlenecks. Next, go to the projects section. Here, you'll see an overview of all active projects. Click on a project to view its details, including assigned team members and overall progress. If your team has set up project budgets or time estimates, you can track progress against those targets right here. This allows you to stay on top of project costs and ensure everything is within budget. By utilizing Clockify, you'll gain unparalleled transparency into your projects, ensuring accurate invoicing and better budget management. Now you can finally understand exactly where your money is going.